Okay, let's jump right into the fundamentals of data mining and see how it all works.
We're going to be using this textbook as our map to explore the world of data mining.
You've probably heard this quote before, right? It really gets at the incredible value that's hidden inside raw data. Well, that's exactly where data mining comes in. It's the process of pulling out that hidden value. So our guide actually boils this entire field down to just 4 fundamental tasks.
First up, we've got association pattern mining. This is all about finding hidden relationships in huge data sets.
It's the classic beer and diapers thing. Understanding this helps stores place products way smarter.
Next is data clustering. Basically, automatically sorting similar things into groups with no labels needed.
Yep, just like sorting your laundry, you're making groups based on what they have in common.
Then you have outlier detection, and this one is all about spotting the things that just don't belong.
It's super important for stuff like fraud detection, finding that one weird transaction out of millions.
And finally, there's data classification. This time, we do have labels for our categories.
The system learns from stuff we've already labeled to sort new things into the right bins automatically.
So get this, these 4 super problems are basically the building blocks for everything else in data mining. And we're not just talking about simple spreadsheets. This applies to all sorts of complex data.
This is how we find meaning in our crazy, complicated, super connected world. Okay, so where do you actually see this stuff? Let's check out some real-world examples. From your online shopping recommendations to cybersecurity, data mining is literally working all around us.
But as these tools get more and more powerful, a really big challenge pops up.
And that challenge is privacy. You know, our guide actually dedicates a whole chapter just to this topic.
This is honestly one of the biggest questions of our time. How do we balance it all?